So guys, now this is the part where I'll be teaching you how to create your paperback cover. Okay, so there's a way to create your paperback. You've probably by now you've created for Kindle. That's the book, the cover. You understand? So you've already done the cover. Now the next thing, you have to create a separate cover for your paperback. Okay, so paperback is the print version. Okay, so this video is going to be showing you step by step how to create a good paperback. Okay, so now let's dive right into how you can create your own paperback cover. So to create your paperback cover, what you have to do is you have to come to your browser and search for KDP cover size calculator. Okay, so once you come here, you're going to come to this part. See this part, KDP cover calculator. Click on it. So you come here and you fill in this. So here we're going to select paperback. Okay, so the interior black and white, paper type white, left to right. Then measurement, the measurement is in inches, 6 by 9. So here is where we are going to select it. For ours, we did ours to be 6 by 9. So whatever you used, you're just going to select it here. So for us, we click on 6 by 9, and then what's the page count? That's the total page count for your paperback book. Okay, so for us, the total page count for us is 118. For this one I'm doing, so it's 118. So I'm going to fill it in here. So we have just filled this in, and then we're going to click on calculate dimension. So it's going to calculate it for us. So it has calculated this. So we are going to use this calculation to actually create our paperback. Okay, so what you want to do is you're going to click on download template. But before that, let me just do something to this. Let me copy it so that it will be easy for me. Okay. So you're now going to download this. So click on download templates. Okay, so yeah, so this is it. So what you do is you extract it. Okay, so you're going to extract this template, extract all. So extract. So so what we are going to do is we are going to come to Canva, and we want to create a new design. So we're going to create a new design. So custom size. Okay, you're going to click on custom size. First of all, change this to inches. Okay, so what's our size? Okay, the width is 12.516, and then the height is 9.25. Okay, so click on create new design. So this is how it's going to appear. So this is it. So the next thing you have to do is you upload the template that we downloaded. Okay, the paperback template that we downloaded, we're going to upload that. So you're going to upload the PNG on. You're going to upload the PNG file. So okay, so now this is the PNG file. Okay, let's look at it to be sure. So you can see 12.516. So we're going to drag this, just maintain the line and drag it from here to fit in. So let it fit in. Okay, so now let's upload our file that we designed. Let's upload our design. Okay, so guys, okay, so these are the two, and we're going to open them. So so these are them. So what you're going to do is just add them. Come here to this one, just make sure it doesn't cross a line there. Okay, so let's drag it. Look at the blue line. Okay, so make sure it doesn't cross it now. Let me drag it here. Just be careful. Okay, so you can see it's not crossing, right? Yeah, it's not. So so the next one, So we're going to bring this one here, here, and then drag it to, okay. So drag it from this end to fit in. Okay, so here we have our paperback. So what we're going to do is just delete this template that we added, delete it. And so you can see, so I like it like this, but if you want to change the color, you can just come here and change the color. Okay, so let's say it is in black. So still okay like this. So I think I might just have to go for this. Let's see, rotation. Black is okay. So we are done creating our paperback. So you can see, so what you just do is you come here and you download this. Okay, you click on download. You're going to download this as PDF. So come to PDF print. Okay, Latin PDF, and you download this. Wow, so we are done with the paperback. So we are done with this. So the next thing is to show you how to, let's view our paperback. Okay, so it's loading. So this is the paperback. So the next thing is to show you how you can upload this paperback, the manuscript, everything to Amazon, and how to do your description and your 7 back-end keywords, get your 7 back-end keywords. So thanks guys, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified when I post the next. Thank you very much.